Hey folks, welcome back to Woodworking Advisor, and if you're working in a small garage or limited space like me, you're going to love today's build. We're making a fold-down, wall-mounted workbench that's sturdy, compact, and easy to tuck away when you're done. This is the perfect weekend build to upgrade your shop without eating up your floor space. So let's get right into it. I'm starting with a basic frame made from 2x4s. I cut 2 horizontal pieces for the top and bottom of the frame and then 2 vertical supports. I'm building mine 48 inches wide and 32 inches tall, but you can customize it based on your space. Once I've got everything cut, I lay it out on the floor, double-check my measurements, then drill pocket holes and screw everything together. Next, I attach the frame to the wall. If you're in a garage or workshop, hit the wall studs, don't just go into drywall. I'm using 3-inch lag screws and making sure it's completely level before tightening it all down. This is going to carry weight, so secure installation is critical. Now let's build the actual bench top. I'm using a 3/4 inch plywood sheet cut to the same dimensions as the frame, 48 by 32 inches. I could just stop there, but I want a cleaner edge, so I add a maple trim strip around the front for durability and a nice look. I glue and brad nail that on. To make the bench fold down, I'm installing a pair of heavy-duty drop-down hinges. These are rated for over 200 pounds and mount directly into the side of the frame and the underside of the bench top. Once installed, the table can pivot down and sit flush against the wall when not in use. But we're not done yet. We need a support system. I went with folding leg brackets, and I'm using 2 2x4s as legs. When the bench folds down, the legs flip out and lock in place, making the bench rock solid. At this point, I test everything. Bench folds down smoothly. Legs pop into place. It's strong enough to stand on, and yes, I actually stood on it to show how solid it is. Let's finish it up. I sand the whole thing with 120 grit, and then 220 to smooth out any rough edges. For finish, I apply 2 coats of satin polyurethane. Not only does it protect the surface, but it also gives the bench a nice professional look, perfect for woodworking, crafting, or even as a fold-down desk. Now here's the best part when I'm done using it. I just unlock the hinges, fold it back up, and boom, I've got all my floor space back. No more dragging out sawhorses or cluttering up your shop. This whole project cost me around $60 and took about half a day to build. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and a game-changer for anyone trying to maximize a tight workspace. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more shop-saving builds, smart tool tips, and DIY projects every week. And if you build this fold-down bench, tag me, I'd love to see your version. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy building.